Good morning, friends. It's so good to see you. Right now I'm sitting at the airport, New York City, waiting to go on a vacation. And my plane's just about to leave. It's right out that window right there. And if you want to see where I'm heading on my vacation, see my next read aloud, keep watching. So I made it. I took a 5-hour flight and traveled a little over 2,000 miles. And obviously I'm in a really beautiful location on this beach. This beach is cool because it is black sand. It's volcanic sand. And behind me I have mountains. And the water is not crystal clear, so that might tell you I'm not in the Caribbean. I'm actually in Central America in Costa Rica. It's been a really great few days, and I wanted to wait a few days to film so I could pick the perfect spot, and I think I found it. I think this branch was made just for me. So the book I have today is a traditional Costa Rican folktale. It's called The Parrot, Tico, Tango. It's by Anna Witt. So a folktale for us would be like Jack and Jill or the Three Little Pigs. So this is a traditional folktale from here. So let's get started. The parrot Tico Tango had a round yellow mango, but it wasn't quite as yellow as the lemon of Marcello. And Tico Tango knew that he had to have it too, so he took it. Friends, the animals that you'll see in this book are native to where I am, in Costa Rica. The parrot Tico Tango had a round yellow mango, and he carried it to his right, a lemon small and bright, when he spied Elena's fig, which was purple, sweet, and big. And Tico Tango knew that he had to have it too, so he grabbed it. The parrot Tico Tango had a round yellow mango, and he carried it to his right of a lemon small and bright, and on his left a fig, which was purple, sweet, and big, when he noticed his friend Terry with a round, juicy cherry. And Tico Tango knew that he had to have it too, so he stole it. Tico Tango reminds me of Anansi. We read Anansi books all the time. The parrot Tico Tango had a round yellow mango, and he carried it to his right of a lemon, yellow and bright, and on his left a fig, which was purple, sweet, and big, and on his back from Terry a juicy red cherry, when he saw Mariana munch on a green grape bunch. And Tico Tango knew that he had to have it too, so he took it. Tico Tango's a thief. The parrot Tico Tango had a round yellow mango, and he carried to his right a lemon small and bright, and on his left a fig, which was purple, sweet, and big, and on his back from Terry a juicy red cherry. And he clutched the grapes he put on his strong, sharp foot. When he spotted proud Soraya with a deep orange papaya, and Tico Tango knew that he had to have it, so he took it. The parrot Tico Tango had a round yellow mango, and he carried to his right a lemon small and bright, and on his left a fig, which was purple, sweet, and big. And he clutched the grapes he put in his strong, sharp foot. And when he saw his good friend Nate with a tiny brown date, he knew he had to have it, so he took it. So he opened his beak wide to fit the deep fruit inside when... crash! Down came the mango, down came the lemon, down came the fig, down came the cherry, down came the grapes, and down came the papaya. Poor Tico Tango. Now the parrot Tico Tango didn't even have his mango, but his friends thought, what a treat, all that fruit they had to eat. They took the fruit he stole and they put it in a bowl, They washed it and they sliced it and they peeled it and they diced it, and Tico Tango felt contrite. He knew he put things right. Please forgive me, I feel bad that I took the fruit that you had. And the parrot Tico Tango begged for just one piece of mango. His friends were quite divided, but soon they all decided that he deserved another chance. They would make the parrot dance. If you teach us all the tango, then you can have your mango. And Tico Tango knew that he had to have it too, so he danced for it. The end. I'm seeing these butterflies in the book. I actually just saw a yellow butterfly. I could see it. It's behind Mr. Sedola, who's filming me. So friends, I hope you have a great day. I think today I might try to zip line through those mountains, and it might be a little scary, but I think I'm going to do it because that's why I'm here. So friends, have a great time, and I will see you next time.